Welcome back to the country life. So I'm going to be doing a voice recording for this little bit, and for the majority of the video. So I just wanted to show you in the beginning here, we taped up everything that was important, like the scope, the trigger, the cams, the arms, anything that we thought that was important. So that's why there's blue. And then we just went in with a base coat, and the base coat was satin, so we kind of used two base coats. We used the satin base coat very, very lightly, as you can see here. And then we use another base coat to kind of cover up the shininess of the satin. That's what it looked like. We just got colors, so we got a base coat, we got a leaf color, we got a red for a maple leaf, we got like a dark brown for sticks, like a dark brown black for sticks, and we also got like a moss green. So we just tried to match those colors up as best as we could. This is the other color that we were using. It was just here. So that was the lid color. We used this for the other base coat. So we did this color for the base coat a lot harder, and then we came back and we let it dry for a little bit, and then we came back, and as you can see, we were stenciling on leaves here. So what we would do is we made a stencil, and we would then spray that lighter color on, and then we were making a maple leaf here, so we just threw in some red. And for an oak leaf, we would just do that lighter color, so we also, for the maple leaf and the oak leaf, we used that lighter color base coat for both color leaves, and then for the maple leaf we just added on that red color very lightly though. Also, I would suggest wearing gloves if you don't want to get a whole bunch of spray paint on your fingers, just a suggestion. So right here, when you see the sponge, Ethan and I took the moss green spray paint and we spray painted it into onto cardboard, and we took that sponge and we were just going on the sticks to lighten up that harsh color. So that's what you see us doing here. Okay, so here we are taking off the blue tape, and I wish that I showed this, but before we took off the blue tape, we actually took a clear coat and we spray painted that on the crossbow, and we did quite a few coats of it and we let it dry in between. So I wish I showed that, but by the time we were filming this, it was like 12 o'clock at night. So here are some before and after shots that we took. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.